In today's video, we are going to share some valuable tips for creating a functional home office space. With more and more people working remotely, having a productive and organized workspace is essential. Let's dive into these tips and transform your home office into a place of productivity and inspirational. Hi, welcome back to Beautiful Home Decor YouTube channel where we bring some easy and practical tips for your beautiful home decoring. Tip number 1. Designate a specific area for your home office. It's important to have a dedicated space where you can focus and separate your work life from your personal life. Find a corner, a spare room, or even a nook in your home that can be transformed into your own office space. Take a look at this designated home office area. It's a small corner of the room that has set up with a desk, chair, and storage solution. By having designated areas, you create a sense of structure and clear boundary between work and home relaxing. Tip number 2. Create an ergonomic setup. Your physical well being is crucial when it comes to productivity. Invest in a comfortable chair that provide proper support for your back. Ensure that your desk is at the correct height and that your computer monitor is positioned at eye level to avoid stress on your neck and eyes. Look at this ergonomic setup, a comfortable chair with adjustable features, a desk at the right height, and a monitor position at eye level. These adjustments promote good postures and reduce the risk of discomfort or injury during the long hours of working. Tip number 3. Prioritize organization and storage. Keep your workspace clutter free and well organized is essential for productivity. Invest in storage solutions such as shelves, cabinets, or desk organizers to keep your supplies, documents, and equipment easily accessible and neatly arranged. Take a look at this well organized home office. The shelves, filing system, and desk organizer ensure that everything has its place. By having a clutter free environment, you can focus better and find what you need without wasting time searching of things. Tip number 4. Optimize your lighting. Natural light is ideal and as it boosts productivity and help reduce eye stress. Position your desk near a window if possible. If natural light is limited, invest in proper desk lamp or overhead lighting that provide illumination for your task. Look at this well light office, home office. This desk is positioned near a window, allowing natural light to flood the workspace. Additionally, a desk lamp provides focus lighting for specific tasks. The combination of natural and artificial lighting create a well illuminated, and inviting environments. And that's all. These are some valuable tips for creating a functional home office space by designating a specific area, creating ergonomic setup, prioritize organization and storage, and optimize your lighting. You can transform your home office into a productive and inspiring space. I hope you found these tips very helpful and that they assist you in creating your own ideal workspace. If you enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Beautiful Home Decor YouTube channel. Thanks for joining us today, and may your home office be a place of focus, creative, and success. Thank you.